In this video, I'll show you how to create a workspace in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you just want to simply click on your profile. Now, on the right-hand side of your profile, what you need to do is simply head over to the top and click on the second option, which is New Workspace. Now, a pop-up will show from here. This will be your workspace name. Let's say we want to name this as the sales team. And at the bottom, you can even add members within your workspace. So let's say we will add janedoe@gmail.com. Once you press and enter, it will automatically add that email. As you can see here, we can add multiple ones if that is something that you want to apply. And once you were done with your workspace name and the members of your workspace, head over to the bottom and click on Create Workspace. Now, once you were done, it will automatically look like this. As you can see, this is a blank workspace. On the left-hand side, if you head over to the bottom and click on your profile, under your email address, you will have multiple workspaces. The first is your own, and the second is the workspace in which we just created. You can also switch if that is something that you want to apply. It will be a second tab. And that is the best way for you to create a workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.